everybody need one because we can't be walking out here looking crusty. Like, that's just not where it's at. Welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, thank you so much for watching. So today's video is just gonna be like a video letting you all know like some products or some things that you just have to have for the holidays. We're gonna be talking about skincare, makeup, and like miscellaneous stuff. This isn't gonna be like a long video. I have like 5 or 6 categories, so yeah, it's not gonna be like a super long video. Before we get started, if you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss out on any videos. I am on the road to 5K, so if you want to help me get there, just go ahead and click that subscribe button. So yeah, and also turn on your post notifications if you want to get notified when I do upload a video. A couple of things. I know y'all tired of probably seeing this hoodie, but I realized that I already had it on and I'm not about to change it. And also my hair looks a mess, like it's like a nest up there. So yeah, we just gonna ignore those things. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started so this video isn't super long. So if you want to see like what I think you need for the holiday, like some holiday must-haves, then please keep watching. Alright guys, so the first must-have for the holidays is a good moisturizer. Like, I know that's lame, like skincare, whatever, but hey, everybody needs moisturizer. I don't care what kind of skin you have, especially this time of year, because it usually gets a little colder unless you're somewhere where it's just hot or whatever. But yeah, a good moisturizer. The one I'm currently using is from Fresh, and it is their Vitamin Nectar Moisture Glow Face Cream, and I really like this moisturizer. It's really nice. I've gone through like a whole bottle already. I know I'm lame and it's boring, but a good moisturizer, everybody need one because we can't be walking out here looking crusty. Like, that's just not where it's at. So yeah, a good moisturizer is what we need. Okay, the next thing I feel like everyone needs for the holidays is like a good foundation. It's the time of year everybody's taking pictures and everything like that. Now, if you don't wear foundation, then don't wear foundation, I mean, honestly. But if you do wear foundation, you need a good one. So this one right here is so bomb, you guys. Like, this foundation is so bomb. I've used it so many times, and I have like this much left. I have like this much left, but I have like 2 more bottles. And this is the NARS foundation, and it's their newest one, the NARS Natural Radiant Long Wear Foundation. It's full coverage. It gives my skin like a nice glow. Again, I do have dry skin. I mean, if you have oily skin, you can still wear the foundation. I would just definitely prime and make sure you set. That way you're not like, you know, shining all over the place. So yes, for the holidays, everybody needs like a bomb foundation because we want our skin to look snatched. We want to look good in pictures and all that good stuff. So good foundation, and I do recommend this one for pretty much all skin types. Like I said, if you do have like oilier skin, you probably want to set, not probably, but you're gonna want to like set and prime your skin, you know, because this isn't like oil control or anything. So yeah, a bomb ass foundation, everybody needs one of those for the holidays. So now the next thing everybody needs for the holiday is like a good, some shimmer, some glitter, some sparkle. We need some sparkle somewhere. I guess, yeah, sparkle. We're gonna use that word. Everybody needs some sparkle in their life, whether it's highlighter, whether it's glitters. I have both to show y'all. So highlighters. 2 of my favorites are from MAC. It's the MAC Gold Deposit, which I use all the time on my channel. I do need to switch it up more and use more things, but I love this one so much. And the Too Faced highlighter, You Light Up My Life. These are just 2 of my favorite highlighters that work perfectly for my skin tone, MAC and Too Faced. Of course, if you're lighter, you will have to get different ones, but I'm just saying that you need highlighter. So go find a highlighter that works for you and wear it. So, you know, with sparkle comes glitter. These are just some glitters that I have. The brand is Lit. I have a couple of Lit glitters. The colors I have, you can use whatever color you want, honestly. I mean, this time of year, people are usually using silvers and golds and like red or whatever, but you can use whatever color glitters you want. I like this brand lips. I also like the Anastasia Beverly Hills glitters. I just haven't purchased any yet, but hers are really good. If loose glitters scare you, because they can get kind of messy, so if you don't really rock with loose glitters, then I really like the heavy metals from Urban Decay. This one is like a pink one, so you may not want this one, but they have like gold, silver, and like, you know, other shades. But these right here you can use as like liners, or like just pop it in your eye, and it's just easier. You don't have to worry about having like glue, you don't have to worry about fallout. It's just an easier way to wear glitter. So if you're afraid of the loose glitters, or you don't really rock with loose glitters, then I would recommend the heavy metal liners from Urban Decay. Alright, so the next thing that everyone needs in their life this time of year is a red lip. So I know a lot of people don't like wearing red lips, because like red is the hardest color for like women to wear. A lot of people think they don't look good in red, but girl, it's all about finding the perfect red for you. If all fails, just find a blue tone red. Blue tone reds are very universal. They look great amongst all variety of skin tones. So yeah, if you find a blue tone red, it'll probably be good. So I just pulled like 2 of my favorite red lipsticks for you guys. These are my 2 favorite reds currently. This right here is like my OG favorite red, and it's Ruby Woo from MAC. I just do a swatch since, you know, it's right here. But it's right here, Ruby Woo. Am I ashy? If I'm ashy, I'm sorry. But Ruby Woo from MAC, I really love this red. I'm not sure how it's coming across on camera, but it is a blue tone red, so it looks good on a lot of people. And then my newest favorite red is from Fenty, and it's from her Mademoiselle line, and it's in the shade Madame. And it just looks like this right here. Like I said, I'm not sure how this is showing up on camera. In my viewfinder, this looks kind of orange and this looks kind of pink, but whatever. Yeah, these are my 2 favorite reds. So yes, red lip is definitely a holiday must-have. So the last holiday must-have is just a bomb-ass playlist, like a holiday playlist. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all some of my favorite holiday songs.
Oh boy, Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year. Next year, Santa, tell me if you really care. You know, Christmas was made for the children. Destiny's Child. So hurry down the chimney tonight. One little thing, a ring. I don't mean on the phone, Santa baby. So I'll make my wish come true. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. Don't care about the presents. I just want you for my own. I'll be right for you. Santa, can you hear me? I have been so good this year. Tell me my true love is here. He's all I want, just for me, underneath my Christmas tree. Santa, that's my only wish this year.
Hey player, what you gonna get for Christmas? What you gonna get? Say what?
Stop the beat for a sec.
Show some respect.
Santa Claus, tell the rich
5 months free rent, and a man with a lot of money. Alright guys, so those are all the things that I think you need for the holidays, your holiday must-haves. So yeah, I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun filming it, as you probably could tell. But yeah, definitely leave me a comment below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I love to hear your suggestions. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.